everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to today's video. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I want to show you an amazing ingredient that comprises potato. Now, do you know that potato works a whole lot, like potato juice, and also the starch, it works a whole lot on the skin by removing dark spots, age related problems, and it also helps to lighten up your skin, not bleach, but help, when you go out on the sun kills some cells on your skin. Now what this does is that it helps to exfoliate your skin, and then you're gonna see the brighter part of your skin. Okay, so that is what it does. All right, so let me take you right into this video so you could see all of that, and this is amazingly beautiful. So do not forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and let's go guys. So let me show you how you're gonna rub potato slice on your skin to get a smoother, fairer and a youthful skin, and it's going to help you to clear up your skin, giving you a clearer and a more visible complexion. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Yep, so the first thing you're going to do is that we're going to be peeling it all up. Now after peeling it up, then we would have to be slicing it. So I'm actually going to be keeping this two slices for later. So for this particular one, would have to be cutting it in bits. So we're going to be needing a blender, then we're going to be packing it into a blender, and we're going to go blend and we'll be right back. So to enable us blend, we're going to be adding a little bit of water. So here is my blended potato, and I actually turn it here, and we're going to be needing about 3 tablespoons. Alright, so this is what we'll be needing. And we're also going to be needing to use egg. Now egg is a wonderful ingredient that helps to tighten up the skin. Okay, now when you use egg on your skin, it's going to help to reduce the sizes of pores, and it's going to make your skin really visible. Yeah, so now I would have to be breaking the egg, and then I'll be putting just the egg whites. Now after that, then I'll have to be mixing it up. Then the next ingredient we're going to be needing is milk. Now milk is a great remedy that contains the lactic acids, and it's great for pigmented skin and an aging skin. It helps to reduce the size of an open pores, and it also helps to minimize the skin blemishes. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be scooping in about 3 tablespoons of milk into this, and I'll give it a stir. So the next ingredients we're going to be needing is vitamin C. Okay, so you can actually get the pink vitamin C, which is actually very, very important. Now vitamin C actually helps so much for the skin. It helps so much in rejuvenating and clearing up the skin. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is to crush it. This vitamin C is going to help to leave your skin looking clearer and more smooth. All right, so after crushing this, then I'll have to be turning that into the my baby is greeting you guys. Okay, so I have to be turning that into this bowl and mixing everything up together really well. Now after that is done, we are equally going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato is a great and natural remedy that helps so much for the skin, and it also helps to reduce the appearances of blemishes, and it helps the skin glow, so it makes the skin look brighter. So what we're going to be doing this is that I'm going to be creating it. Now you can actually blend yours, guys, if you so desire. Now after that, then I'll have to be turning that into this mix. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look like, and this is a great treatment using it on the skin. Yeah, so the thing is that you can actually use the potato slice as a lazy man style, which actually takes too much of time for it to work, or you can use the full benefits of this. This is a full package. Yeah, you use this, you know that you're using a great ingredient. Okay, let's go to let's go to the washroom and apply this. Now potato slice, which is this, is very helpful for the skin. Now if you are a lazy man person and you just want to cut a potato slice and just walk it down your skin, well, it's good, but it's not going to give you all of the full benefits that this is going to give you. Okay, so what you do, if you're a lazy man, you just walk it through like this and like this. Yeah, like this. But you're going to notice that as you go, it's going to get dry and dry and dry. So I'll advise you use this particular one. So using this, I'm actually going to be getting a brush and I'm going to give it a stir, because I actually refrigerated it because I need it to be very cool on my skin. Yeah, so I will then rub it, apply it, and rub it through my face. Rub it through my skin. You have to rub a general amount of it. Be careful so it doesn't enter your eyes, just like it's going right there. So and there you go. Okay, so after that, then you can actually use the potato to scrub this. That's if you don't want to use your hand. Okay, you use the potato. Scrub your lip. Okay, so doing this, you have all of the juice to go around and scrub it all out. Applying potato on the skin is really helpful, and it feels really good right here. Okay, so after doing this, then you can go wash it out and I'll be back. Okay, so remember to use the toilet soap. Do not wash your face with all of this chemical soap and all of that. If you must tone your skin, let me know at the comment section. Tell you what and what to use. Gradually, tone your skin, but you're not going to go overboard because you don't want to feel as if you're bleaching. You don't want to your knuckles to get dark and all of that stuff. Definitely gonna be recommending natural stuff for you, and it's going to take a little while. It's not going to be an instant natural thing that's going to just bleach you, but it's going to fade up your skin, remove those dead skin cells, and your skin is going to gradually become lighter and you're good. So that's it. Now you're going to begin to see the improvement on your skin, like from the very first day you apply this, you use this on your skin. It's gonna be so amazingly beautiful. It's gonna be superb, and it's going to be really glowing and beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you again in my next video. Love you guys, and bye.